lights where the steel blades gleam. We mend the broken, we chase the dream. Faces shattered, hopes misplaced. We bring the calm, we reframe grace. Mandibles torn in midnight fights, wired shut through endless nights. Treads must trauma, blood and flame, but we rise again and stake our name. We are the guardians of nerve and bone. In the jaw's deep halls we stand alone. With blade and drill, with graft and plate, we fight for form, we battle fate. Call the warriors with sutured pride, who stitch the pain and stand beside each shattered smile, each fractured code. Guardians of the Mandible Road. Torii fall like ancient stone. Sinus lifts where hope has grown. With saw and scope, we clear the path. A surgeon's grace, a storm of math. Orthognathic prophecy, implants crown the legacy. In every ridge we see the tale of lives rebuilt beyond the veil. Titanium sings in healing tones, woven deep through grafted zones. A whispered oath in every bite, to restore the faith